product property. Product property states that the logarithm of a product is the sum of the logarithms of the factors. The logarithm base b of x times y can also be rewritten as the log base b of x plus the log base b of y. Here we have an example. We have the log base 10 of 2 times 5, and we have rewritten it as the log base 10 of 2 plus the log base 10 of 5. So we calculate the log base 10 of 2, which is 0.301, plus the log base 10 of 5, which is 0.699, and we sum these together and we get 1. We can also see this as from here, if we do the log base 10 of 2 times 5, 2 times 5 is 10, so the log base 10 of 10 equals 1. Because the base 10 raised to the power of 1 get us the argument, which was 10. 2 times 5.